good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Young Cabronita here with another motherfucking video. Today's video is going to be about a Amazon product that I purchased, obviously online, and I want to unbox it with y'all because I'm pretty excited that I bought this and I feel like I want to share that with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Before you open any Amazon package, make sure you got your gloves. Hell no, I'm not trying to catch no coronavirus. The hell? So you're gonna put these on. It's not really going in. There you go. Booyah, I got 2 gloves. I opened up the Amazon box and this box is inside the company I bought it from. You first open the box, there. Oh hell no. What the fuck? So basically I had to run out of here because the box touched my face and I was not having it. Anyways, in the box you're gonna see like 2 smaller boxes and like some black bags, whatever. I'm gonna open the small box. What came in here is a little control. I guess it's like some charger. Some type of, I don't even know, bro. To hold my phone. And instructions on how to use it. Next item I'm going to grab is the black bag because I really want to see what's in here. Dude, it's the tripod. No way! Look at that. Even has, I don't know if you can see that little green thing right here. That thing is to help like for you to level and make sure like your camera is straight and whatever. Oh, you still can't see it, but whatever. This thing is super cool. It's like a real directing camera thing. Pretty cool. The last item in the box is this one. So in here should be the ring of lights. If I'm not mistaken, these ring of lights should be kind of big. Wow, it is big, pretty big. More instructions. This is cool. What? Look at the buttons on the bottom. That's fucking cool. I'm gonna assemble this and let y'all see. So this is the final result of the camera after I set it up, obviously. This is where your phone goes. This is a little handle thing I was telling you guys about. I was like, wow, this is kind of cool or whatever. And the back is the level thing I told you guys about to help you level it. Ow! I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in so we can see really what it looks like. I forgot to put a piece, which was the bottom part, so this thing wasn't staying or whatever, but whatever. I got it on. Here's the on button. Wow. And you gotta change it. Ooh. So you can higher it, lower it, whatever. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my phone from that one to this one so you guys can see the difference. I'm using the actual camera, actual lighting. Wow, I'm super impressed. Like, I'm really impressed. This shit is crazy, bro. This is crazy. That's what I'm saying. This shit is crazy. I'm in shock. This is really cool. And I'm gonna change the settings so you guys can see. Pretty nice. Oh, wow. Blue is my favorite color. Wow, this is pretty. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm so happy with this light. So if you guys also want to buy it, it's going to be, the link will be in the description below. This came out super nice. Better than what I thought, to be honest. Like, I'm super impressed right now. I'm really in shock. And I'll post another video real soon. So don't stop watching my channel.
That's too much drugs and drink. Being hunted by my past. Someone help me get away. Damn, what you think I do? I buy more drugs and drink.